Hey, good afternoon. This is Tim at J.H. Barkau and Sons in Cedarville. You can reach me by phone or text message at 815-718-9288, 815-718-9288. And this is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited 8-passenger version minivan. You had asked a question about the mileage on the auto check report. I'm sure it was written down at the auction wrong, because if you see, it was when the management team had it and it was the same, 978, then I went to change to 913. Somebody transposed the number or got a number wrong or whatever, but it's still like new. The mileage currently is 30,160, which is accurate. The auto check report didn't flag an inaccuracy. It just shows that the mileage was not actually correct at that time. We've actually also just lowered the price of this van. It was $33,952. Now it's $32,452. As you can see in the email that I sent you. Also, automatic transmission, backup camera, Bluetooth hands-free phone. These are awesome vehicles. Remote start, navigation. This one also has the trailer tow hitch on it. So I look forward to hearing back from you. 815-718-9288 is my phone number. 815-718-9288. Thanks.